And today we're going to be checking out this Syma X800 drone. That's right, this is a little beginner drone that actually has, it's got a small camera on it, a controller. You can connect it to your phone and see what the drone sees, and you can learn how to fly drones as well. So let's go ahead, we're going to bring the camera down. I'm going to show you everything that you're going to get with this little drone and then how to set it up. And then we're going to take it outside and do a test flight. So let's get to it. All right, here's everything. I've already unboxed it all. And we'll just go over what you get real quick. You can see that you're going to get 2 batteries. You will get a battery charger. You're going to get a full set of propellers. You're also going to get propeller screws and the little chrome covers for them as well. This is going to be your phone holder. You're going to get a total of 8 propeller guards. They give you some extras. And you're going to get a precision screwdriver. This is what your controller looks like right here. You can see your antennas on top. This is where you're going to mount your phone holder. You have your flip button, auto takeoff, auto landing, 360 button. We'll go over all that here shortly. And then you actually have the little drone itself. And you can see that the drone is foldable for easy storage. So you can fold this little guy up and shove it in your backpack and bring it around with you. How cool is that? And it's going to have a much smaller footprint. Now this is a super light sub 250 gram drone, so you won't have to get licensed or anything like that. So anybody can just fly this outside, no big deal. If you look on the bottom of the drone right here, this is where you pop the cover off, and this is where you're going to install your batteries. Super easy, nothing to it. So what we're going to do is we're going to charge it up. We're going to go ahead and put some batteries in this controller. Let's see how many batteries are you going to have to buy to run your controller. You will need 4 AA batteries, and we're going to get everything charged up, everything powered up, and then we're actually going to fly this and record some of the footage from this drone so you can see and know what to expect. Okay, so now we're out front with this little drone. This is an indoor outdoor. Now if it's too windy outside, you're not going to want to fly it outside because the wind will take it away. So on those really windy days, just stay inside. But I figured this is the best opportunity to get the best picture from this little drone. And so what we're going to do is I'm going to screen record the app so you can see how the app works and what you see or what the drone actually sees. And you'll get an idea of the quality of the little camera as well. So let's go ahead, screen recording going, and get this guy in the air. All right, so the first thing you're going to do is you're going to go through and swipe until you find your model. Once you have the app up, we're going to go ahead and bind the drone. Forward and back on the stick. It should now be bound. We're going to go into our settings on our phone, and we're going to actually connect to the FPV Wi-Fi, which is the Wi-Fi for this little drone right here. Then we're going to go back to our app, and then we're going to hit start. And now you can see the grass and what you're going to see from the little drone. So I'm going to go ahead and tilt this camera back up, and we're going to get back to flying. Just to give this a quick flight test, we're going to push down and to the right to calibrate the drone first, and now it's time to take off. Super quiet drone, very stable. It also does flips, which is pretty cool. Let's do another flip. You're going to hold the flip button, which is on the top right side, hold it down and push the direction that you want to flip. Do a side flip. Very cool. Now meanwhile, you can see all this on the screen of your phone. You can also fly with your phone as well. You can actually take over the controls and fly on your phone. Oh, that was circle mode. So if you hit the top left button, you get a circle mode. Then of course, as soon as you hit the controls, it comes back to you. So we're going to hold it. We're going to circle left this time. Very cool. That's your auto landing. Let's try auto takeoff. Yep, no issues whatsoever. So as you can tell, it's a fun, little easy to fly drone. It's got the little camera on it, which is going to give you that FPV look. You could even use a set of like FPV goggles and put your phone in it and actually fly this thing around. And it's going to be a great little drone for you to learn how to fly. Very nice. Fly around just a little bit more. You can see me going around the palm tree. Oh, durability test. We'll recalibrate it since we crashed. So we're going to go down and to the right. Complete. And we're back up and flying. So a really nice little beginner drone. I think you're going to enjoy it. As I said, the camera makes a lot of fun and adds a lot of fun to it. Gives you that FPV experience as well. And no complaints. I hope this video helps, and thanks for watching.